Good morning, guys. Welcome for today's Ray-Ban stories. For today, I'll be using my EK3K swap. I need to buy some hose for the power spray and buy some LED lights for the house. Welcome to Davao City. For now, we are here in Lanang. On the left side is Acacia Hotel, and now dito tayo ngayon sa Uyanggurin Street, Chinatown. On my left side, ang daming mga dried fish. Tawag nila sa bulan. Diyan kung sabi ng maraming bulan. Dito tayo City Hardware. Hanap ako ng mga ilaw na LED. Since walang available sa City Hardware na hinahanap ko specific na LED, dito tayo sa Robinsons on demand. Now we're heading home. Linisan ng aquarium. Linisan din natin yung aquarium ni Cyrax. Meet Cyrax, our iguana. Oops! Muntikan na. Yun, no? Malinis na. May pagkain na rin si Cyrax. See you on my next story guys. Please subscribe.